When you were 1 year old, I saw all your first milestones. First rollover, first teeth, first steps to walk. Your first word dada before you learned to call me mama. You always want to be danced when you're carried by me. In your second year, you already know how to walk properly. You love watching nursery rhymes. You already know the alphabet and its sounds because we always sing it. Third year, although you cannot leave the house because of the pandemic, you always play with Lola Nene. In the fourth year, you hoped that you would have a father to consider. You failed, and I'm so sorry for that. Fifth year, I witnessed you go to school happily. You learned to read and write. I'm grateful that you didn't fail me in your studies. When the sixth year came to the first grade of school, now that you reached your seventh year, you stopped drinking milk from the bottle. You are being instructed properly. You are gentle with me. You listen to all my problems.